Hello guys, in this video I am about to show you how to customize your fridge in the FillTheFridge application. The very first thing you need to do is enter the app. After that you will see that there are three options at the right side of your screen: the store, the removal of the ads, and basically a shop icon. You have to click on the shop icon. After that you will see your fridge right in front of you. You can change basically the outlook of the whole fridge here. Now unfortunately everything is locked for me. I'm kind of new with this account in this game, so I cannot really change anything because everything is unlocked for me. But if you have enough money you can basically unlock something random, so it is definitely worth it if you have. Other than that, you can customize your stickers basically on the fridge. You can either remove or add them here. You have even a special and premium option, but then again everything is logged in for me. You can customize the inside box of the fridge, basically the box where you put all of the groceries, the bottles and everything you have. And finally this thing where you keep all your groceries and bottles, at the beginning. Now it's important to mention that these three things at the right side of your screen will not appear until you finish the first level. So you need to complete that first, and only after that will appear the store, the removal of the ads, and the shop icon. So you should kind of treat the first level as a tutorial kind of level, even though it doesn't really show you how to solve the level. But after you complete that, you can basically customize your fridge in any way possible, as long as you have enough money. Well, thank you for listening. I hope this video was helpful, and see you next time. Bye bye.